Peace Award has done a lot of work, and my whole life I have only given. And I'm a survivor of domestic violence for 12 years, and I'm very thankful for my ex-husband because he helped me find my purpose. Everything we have in life has a reason, and I'm awakened since I was 7 years old. I've been doing Qigong meditation since then. I've never been in trouble. My whole life I've just served, and because that's my main purpose, everyone here to serve.
Okay, you are in India. What are you looking for?
I have a big project in India. I have 3 projects in India. First one is Wisdom Land. Okay, the Wisdom Land is going to be a self-sustainable men, women, children shelter. And this shelter is going to be self-sustainable. That means I don't want them to depend on money for donate, and I don't want to depend on anybody. But before we go further, I want to introduce you with Rashmi Kamdar. He's my brother. He's from New York, New Jersey. He's here to support me on the Wisdom Land project. So he will speak after I'm done. So Wisdom Land is a big project, and I'm going to create jobs. I'm a good businesswoman. I'm already retired and branded, and I'm here only to serve. And this is my life purpose. So I have spoken to Lynn Evola, and guess what? We're gonna build the first Peace Angel project in India as well. We have a land from Los Angeles City to build a big monument in Los Angeles, but then I told her, can we do it in India since I'm doing. So this is going to attract. This is not just a sculpture. She does this with gunpowder for peace, not violence. And so what this is going to attract a lot of tourism in India. We already have a land for Wisdom Land. And this land is in the affluent place of Chandigarh. And my donor is my brother too, and he has a big land. And I said, look, let's do Wisdom Land, and around that area we'll build schools, colleges, universities, big, nice 5-star hotel where I can bring people from Hollywood to come and stay there. So guess what? We're going to have so much employment. And this is how I want to serve India.
So did you find any location in India?
Yes, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Why not Mumbai?
I don't know. The land is given to me.
Okay.
In Mumbai too. Let me finish one. Look, I don't want to. I want to build one. After we build, I run it. Okay. I want to set up a whole business plan, check and balance. After the check and balance business is set up, I'm going to move to the next step. Do one good one. And set up a nice program. I have everything written, I'm all ready, so we need to raise funds. I want everyone to come on board with me, work with me, because I'm real. And I have no attachment with money or anything. I'm only here to serve. Okay? So I have a message for all the Bollywood people. Hollywood people, I know that, so no problem. So my message for Bollywood, every single star. I want to tell you something. You will never be a star without Indians. Who made you a star? Indians. You are obligated to serve Indians. I heard every time I try to get one star, they tell me, oh, they want to get paid. I say, Hollywood is not like that. I did an event on October 16 at the Shaban Theater, which is a very elite theater of Beverly Hills, and I had a whole bunch of stars flew in. Why? Because I'm a celebrity coach, and I never got paid by anyone. I keep myself very clean, away from all this money business, because I don't want people looking at me and say, oh, her lifestyle is coming from somewhere. So everything I have is my own, and I kept myself very clean and open.
Well, I'm Rashmikant Kamdar, live in New York, New Jersey from last 41 years. Of course, I migrated. I'm an Indian, proud to be Indian,
Yes.
But I'm proud to be Gujarati. Been doing a lot of charity works there in America. Right now, I'm the president of Gujarati Vikas Manch in New Jersey, and also I was a secretary for about 8 years in Bharati Vidya Bhavan, which is a very well-known institute. And we follow the footsteps of Kanhaiya Munshi. So what we do is we always promote the arts and cultural things. Now, as when Moni said, she is from Hollywood, and she calls me a brother. So she came to my door. So as truly a brotherly help, I decided to support her. So I flew down from America. She's been doing all these 4 Peace Awards to New Delhi. Now she's doing in Mumbai. She's flying to Bangalore. I said, okay, definitely will support you. It's a good cause because she's not commercial. She's not expecting from anybody anything. She wants to serve. And if somebody from America wants to serve to fellow Indians, as an Indian, it's my duty to support them. So let's see her. I believe a nice, thorough businessman has come forward in Chandigarh and given her a land to build this wisdom land, what she is thinking to have a harmony. And the way she wants to shelter is the battered woman or a disturbed any woman. And the way she would like to do this project is that they'll be self-sustained. That means she might do a small kind of a business inside that land, or they would generate the events, to generate the money by themselves, that they don't
But we
need
have vocational schools.
or whatever the project she wants to do. So she has a good dream. She's going to continue. I believe she'll go back. Since she's so well influenced in Hollywood, she'll be able to gather things. So basically, as I said, we being very well, we have done so many cultural shows, like one I did, 100th anniversary of Harwas Rai Bachchan. I had Sri Amitabh Bachchan come to America in 2007 on August 17. He recited the poem for his father, and of course he was joined by Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai also. So many changes, like I also did, we are trying to have Hindi as our 14th language as accepted in United Nations. There are 13 languages they've accepted. So we want Hindi to be accepted. So we are also giving requests to United Nations, and we did one conference of Hindu in United Nations. That was the first time done 3 years back. There's so many cultural events we do, and I just wish a good luck to Moni Irony, like my sister, to be very successful, and whatever help we can do, we will definitely do that.
I have a message for the young ones. I want all the young ones with me because they do all the social media. Social media has a lot of power. I want to tell you all, keep your culture, keep your tradition, keep your language, keep your heritage, you're beautiful who you are, and you don't need to run out and migrate. We're going to make India very strong, where you can stay and make India very superpower.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
कि एक ऐसी लड़की बनूं और लड़कियों को वो इंस्पिरेशन दूं और वो एजुकेशन दूं, कुछ करूं उनके लिए, वो किसी से हेल्प ना मांगे, इवन अपने हस्बैंड से भी नहीं. When I came to know her, she is that lady, वो भी ऐसा ही कुछ करना चाहती थी लड़कियों के लिए. Not only for girls, for everyone, जो हेल्पलेस है, जो कुछ कर नहीं सकता. ऐसा नहीं है कोई कर नहीं सकता, but they don't have the good guidance. अगर हम एक साथ मिलकर उनके लिए कुछ कर सकें, it's very good. Firstly, I would say the one thing, I'm having my own production as I spoke early. मैं अपनी एक बायोपिक बनाने जा रही हूँ. I need your all help because I'm nothing without you. I need all the person in this world who can help me. Really, really, I would love if you are going to help me here. As well as Muni ma'am has already said to you, and even I don't know you listen or not, but what is our main purpose for Wisdom Land and what is Wisdom Land? I just recently done it कि हम एक ऐसा सेंटर बनाना चाहते हैं, हम उनके लिए काम देना चाहते हैं, काम बनाना चाहते हैं जो वो नॉन स्किल बिजनेस भी कर सकें, और अगर वो स्किल्ड हैं, उनके पास कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, तो वो भी हमारे पास आके काम कर सकें. Okay. मैं इनके साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ. हमने एक रिसेंटली एक अवार्ड फंक्शन रन किया है दिल्ली में, आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड. आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड का मेन मकसद था यही विजडम लैंड. हम चाहते हैं कि आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड के ज़रिए, इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के ज़रिए, लोगों से मिलने के ज़रिए हम लोगों तक अपनी बात पहुंचाएं कि हम ये करना चाहते हैं. मैं नहीं जानती, मैं नहीं सोचती कि तुम लोग ये सोचोगे कि दिस इज़ बैड वर्क. इट्स गुड.
Sir, the side.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate that.
Hello.
If you want to say something else, you can say. It's done.
It's a great moment to awards have to be given always for appreciating people and somebody who has been appreciated by madam. It's really a great thing. It's really a great thing.
Oh, you got the microphone. That's good.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Moriarty, for this nice gesture. As I said earlier also, she's truly my sister. I met her back in New Jersey, and since I do a lot of charity works down there, she said to help her out, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I flew because she was in India, and she said I'm here. She has been here from last about 3 weeks, so I just landed 3 days back for this particular event. And I congratulate her. Go ahead and do all your work, and Giriza, you too. You sound to be a very focused girl in your life, and I'm sure that may God will bless you, and you might do the good work. And I give you a very good strength you get in your heart for your wisdom land, what you're trying to do. And once again, congratulations. And I got to leave now because I have another commitment at 8 o'clock. I don't want to be delayed there. So thank you. I leave you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure having you.
Funny. So what I did is I stopped shopping 2008. I visited Sri Lanka and that changed me. So I don't shop. As come, I have not shopped. I have not gone sightseeing in India. I come, I'm working, and I'm going because my purpose means everything. I know I will sightsee one day when my Lord wants me to sightsee. So I'm here for this purpose only. So please, if you have anyone wants to donate, I'm going to make statues of the donors. We're going to have Star of Fame all around the Wisdom Land. It's going to be one of the beautiful temple built in whole India. How do you like that? Because in India consists of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, everybody lives here. They have been owners of this land. They rule India. So let's love everybody because by separating, we're not going to go anywhere. So together, we can make a positive global change. And the global change has to happen from here, and this is I meant to be. So I'm very present. I value everything that comes in my life. And I want to tell you something. Everyone sitting here, I want you to imagine. Right now you're sitting on this earth and we're all moving on this universe and we are saying we are one. So when you project one, it will receive one too. So oneness will come. And I will tell you something. I'm a very successful woman. And right now I'm going to Ghana after this. All these African kings been fighting for 150 years. Oh my goodness. That means people came, born, and died. Okay? Because the lifespan in Africa is only 50 years old. Okay. So now, first time in Africa, all these people are coming together. I have a huge plan to rebuild Africa. Okay? Huge plan. And I'm going to use India's satellite to be sold in Africa. So that means India will make more money. That means I will have more jobs for India. And that means I have more jobs for Africa. I'm a very good businesswoman. I bought my first home when I was 23 all by myself. I was being financially independent from the age 19. Everything I touch turns into gold. Everything. I'm a very lucky woman. So I know what I'm saying. All you need to do is just please help me and everything happened with this. And all my media people, you're my voice and you're my heart. So my heart to your heart, love and peace. You're my voices. So when I build my wisdom land,
है भी सच, नानक होसी भी सच। उन्होंने भी यही सच कहा है कि सत्य का साथ दे दो। वो 9 साल के थे, उनके पिता की गर्दन काट ली गई थी और प्लेट पे रख के 9 साल का बच्चा अपने बाप की गर्दन को लेकर के वहाँ से रात भर, दिन भर चला था घोड़े पे, अम्बाला पहुँचा था। रात जब ज़्यादा हो गई थी तो वहाँ रुका रहा। आप सोचो 9 साल के बच्चे ने जब अपने बाप की गर्दन देखी होगी तो सोया होगा रात भर। आप में से किसी आदमी ने कभी इस बात को सोचने की कोशिश की? ये वो लोग हैं जो लोगों के लिए मरे हैं। ये हिंदू मुसलमान नहीं जानते थे। बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता होगा, सिखों को भी नहीं पता होगा कि गोल्डन टेम्पल जो उनका मक्का है, उसकी बुनियाद जो पहली ईंट है एक मुसलमान ने रखी है कि उससे वो बेशुमार प्यार करते थे। ये सारे मजहब ऐसे हैं।
Look, Satish ji, yeah. Wait.
Thank you. Would you please say a few words?
I'm really honored to be here. I've traveled the world. I'm also a media person like you. I've started my career as a journalist. And God has been kind that I could reach to this level where I could do a fashion week on top of Eiffel Tower. So this is like creating history first time in the world. And I've struggled a lot because as a journalist, I've been standing outside and trying to cover and meeting pleasing personalities like her. But I believe what she's doing now is amazing, and I think we should all support her to the fullest. Thank you.
I only go to the red carpet to speak, and I usually leave on all the red carpet. So I'm here. I value all my media people. You have the power, you have the voice. Hook me up with all your political leaders, and I promise you I'll make a positive change in India. I don't know who they are. So if you get me and lead me through, where's my brother? You lead me through, and I will make a positive change, because India, together we can do it. What do you say about Jai Mata Di?
Jai Mata Di.
Jai Hindustan.
Jai Hindustan.
Yes. Okay. Would you please
for joining hands with us in our company, and yeah.
organize everything? I'm very present. I value everyone that comes in my life, including my housekeepers. My Beverly Hill housekeeper is there with me almost 21 years. My Glendora housekeeper is with me almost 18 years. So I value everyone. Even my office is inside Oprah Winfrey lot. I don't know if you know, in Hollywood, there's a lot of security. All the security loves Moody because I take care of them. I feed them, I give them whatever I have. So I'm here to serve India big time, and I want to thank these young people who are helping me, and Grida, and I have Manoj, Goji, and I have Nirika. These are all young people. So you are my message, you're my voice. Put on the Facebook, Wisdom Land is coming to India. Woo! Thank you so much. And I have a pleasure, have a seat. I have a pleasure to announce my wonderful.
Oh yeah. Hi. Now we would like to call Mr. Vishal on the stage and end up this session.
आप में से कितने
I'm the philanthropist queen of Beverly Hills, and also I'm the voice of Nigeria. And this is Eureka. This is held by the royal family only. So, and this is for the blessing. I'm going to give you everybody blessing here. So my heart to your heart, love and peace, and we are one. And this is my message. Race discriminated us, religion separated us, politician divided us, and health classified us. And this came from my brother Mukesh, and I loved it, so I started using it as the logo. So Mukeshti, I love you.
Can you tell us about regarding what you did?
Yes, I'm here in India bringing 3 major projects. Number 1, Wisdom Land. Wisdom Land is going to be the first one in the world. It is men, women, children, and animal shelter. And Wisdom Land in front, I just got approval. I'm going to build a big peace angel. And this peace angel is a special monument which stands for peace and is done with gunpowder. Can you believe that? So Lynn Evola is going to come to help us build, and this is going to attract a lot of tourism. It's also going to create jobs in India. So I'm here because our Wisdom Land is here to serve everybody. I'm here to serve. I have no attachment with money and fame and everything. I'm already branded and retired 2008. I'm here only to serve India. And I want you guys to talk to your politician and let me meet with them. And you will see how I'll make the positive change in India, because I don't know who they are. You introduce me to them, and I have a message to them. India is one. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all of this India, these are part of this land. They rule this land. Muslim rule this land. Christian rule this land. India rule this land. Hindu rule this land. Sikh. So this is all together. So let's keep it together as we are one.
Thanks.
And this is my peace sign.
That's great.
So I want all of you guys to support me on Wisdom Land, okay? And I'm also planting peace tree.
Okay.
The peace tree is going to create a peace festival globally.
Sure.
And it's also, it's that day, peace day, no fighting, no yelling, no screaming, everybody love each other. So my heart to your heart, love and peace.
Great initiative.
Thank you.
Doing so much for the children, like giving them support for their education, and wants to do so much for them. And it is the first time I met her today, and it is like so much overwhelming for me, like the calmness, positivity, and the vibes that I get from her. So much overwhelming. I can't explain it in words, and I don't know. I have no words seriously to explain.
So how you are contributing to this initiative?
To this initiative, I don't think so. I'm someone who can contribute to this.
Okay.
I don't think I do stand there where I can say to the people that I am here to for the initiative. I am here. I don't think so. That it is just so much respect for Queen Muni Iron that she's done that much. I don't think so. We do even stand a chance in front of her.
Thanks, man.
Came in contact with him through internet, and मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत गरीब बच्चा है, मगर दिल का बहुत अमीर है. सड़कों पे रुला करता था, खाली इसके पास एक आवाज़ थी जिसको लेकर के ये हम सब के बीच आया, और एक्स फैक्टर में इसको चांस मिला. अभी इसका एक टी सीरीज़ में गाना रिलीज़ हो रहा है.
हो गया
विशाल
सर,
हो गया
23
तारीख को.
या
और
सिंगल अभी मेरा जैसे कि एक गाना रिलीज़ हुआ टी सीरीज से जोगिरा, तो उसकी 2 लाइनें मैं आप लोगों को सुना देता हूँ. अरे सुन लो सारी दुनिया वालों मॉडर्न गर्ल की स्टोरी. सिंगिंग नहीं, इज़ माई सॉन्ग. हाँ, तो मैं मुन्नी जी हैं तो उनके लिए दूसरा गाना गा देता हूँ, क्योंकि जोगिरा आप लोग ज़्यादा. अच्छा. अरे सुन लो सारी दुनिया वालों मॉडर्न गर्ल की स्टोरी. अरे सुन लो सारी दुनिया वालों मॉडर्न गर्ल की स्टोरी. आजकल की छोरी ज़्यादा ही एडवांस हो रही. बोलो सारा रारा जोगिरा सारा रारा हो, बोलो सारा रारा रारा रारा. ये मेरा नया गाना भी 23 तारीख को टी सीरीज से लॉन्च हुआ है. और थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा मुन्नी जी का और आर्ट फॉर पीस अवार्ड्स का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि मैम ने मुझे इस लायक समझा और मुझे यहाँ पे ये जो इज़्ज़त और जो मुझे दी है उसके लिए मैं उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ. साथ ही थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा बाबूजी कैप्टन अजय आनंद जी का. बस ऐसे ही आप लोग प्यार बनाए रखिए मुझे, और इस मेरे गाने को ढेर सारा प्यार और आशीर्वाद आप लोग दें. जोगिरा एक बहुत सुंदर गाना है और मेरा बहुत पहला बहुत बड़ा गाना है, और इतनी बड़ी कंपनी से, इंटरनेशनल कंपनी जैसे कि टी सीरीज आज हिंदुस्तान की नहीं पूरा वर्ल्ड, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्यार दें आप लोग और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपना आशीर्वाद और ब्लेसिंग दें. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स.
विशाल के बारे में एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात मैं कह दूँ, आप सब लोगों को लेना ज़रूरी है वो बात. विशाल ने मुझसे एक वादा किया और मैं चाहता हूँ कि वादा उस वादे पे खड़ा रहे. इसने कहा पैसों की सिर्फ उतनी ही तलाश है कि ज़िंदा रह सकूं और पैसों की सिर्फ उतनी तलाश है कि अपना जीवन जी सकूं और पैसों की सिर्फ उतनी तलाश है कि अपने परिवार को पाल सकूं। इससे ज़्यादा जो भी होंगे वो मेरे नहीं हैं, लोगों के हैं। मुझे जो आवाज़ ऊपर वाले ने दी है मैं लोगों के बीच छोड़ के जाना चाहता हूं और वही मेरी याद है, वही मेरी कहानी।
Like to thank her for coming to India, and it's an honor being from the main industry, Hollywood, and we are from Bollywood. So there's just a difference of just an H and a B, but we're all from the same cinema, creativity, and same zone. यही है कि I would like to say, I'll speak in English because you know she's
Hindi is fine.
you know Hindi a little bit.
Talk to them. Leave the message, leave the wisdom
Yeah,
line.
yes. She's come with a mission to do good, and ये मिशन ऐसा है कि हॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड को ज्वाइन करना चाहती हैं और बहुत सारा अच्छा काम, नेक काम करना चाहती है जिसमें सब एक्टर्स का भला हो। और ये काम मैं ऑलरेडी मैं कर रही हूँ सिने एंड टेलीविजन एक्टर्स एसोसिएशन में, जिसमें 10,000 हमारे एक्टर्स हैं। मैं ऑफिशियली अभिनेताओं की नेता भी हूँ, अभिनेता तो हुई, लेकिन उनके साथ मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ। फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया हूँ, 50 से ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल फिल्में की हैं। लेकिन बिग अचीवमेंट ये है कि हॉलीवुड एंड बॉलीवुड टुगेदर हम साथ में मिलके बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं और करेंगे। तो आज इन्होंने मुझे इतना बड़ा सम्मान दिया है कि मैंने जो भी काम किया है इसके लिए मेरा काम की इतनी सारी मतलब तारीफ की है और मुझे इतना बड़ा अवार्ड दिया है। तो आई रियली अप्रिशिएटेड एंड आई एम विथ हर ऑल द वे फॉर ऑल द गुड कॉजेज, ऑल द गुड वर्क जो ये करना चाहती हैं। और हम चाहते हैं कि इसमें सबका भला हो, नॉट ओनली एक्टर्स, एवरी टेक्नीशियन, एवरी प्रेस पर्सन, एवरी बॉडी। एज एन इंडस्ट्री हम एक फैमिली हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि सबके लिए अच्छा हो। तो ये नहीं है कि जस्ट बिकॉज मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं प्रोड्यूसर भी हूँ, मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व हूँ। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि अच्छा और नेक काम में आप लोग सब भी हमारे साथ जुड़े एंड जहाँ जहाँ हम अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, किसी का मेडिकल एड है या किसी का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, किसी के यू नो शादी का प्रॉब्लम है, किसी का बीमारी का प्रॉब्लम है, किसी का कुछ है, तो हम इसमें जहाँ जेन्युइन है हम सब जुड़े, वेदर इट्स हॉलीवुड, वेदर इट्स बॉलीवुड, कलेक्ट द राइट काइंड ऑफ फंड्स, कलेक्ट द राइट काइंड ऑफ पीपल, जिसमें कोई चीटिंग नहीं हो, जहाँ हम चीट ना हो वहाँ किसी को चीट ना करें, और अच्छे काम में आप लोग सबका साथ चाहिए। एंड थैंक यू सो मच बिकॉज आई ओनली बिलीव इन जेन्युइन वर्क एंड जेन्युइनिटी के लिए आपने मुझे इतना सारा किया, इससे आई एम मोटिवेटेड टू डू मच मोर। सो थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल एंड आई नीड योर सपोर्ट एंड ब्लेसिंग्स ऑलवेज।
माता दी।
Jai Mata Di. That's so sweet. That's, you know, it's a warm welcome to India. We actually appreciate your effort to come all the way and do this. And I'm with you always in all your good causes.
Thank you. That's the destiny.
Yes, it's destiny.
We'll make Disneyland.
I was supposed to meet her 2 years back. It's destiny. I've met her now. You know, so but then नेक काम करना है, कल करो सो आज और आज करो सो अभी, सो मैंने तो शुरू कर दी। चलिए, God bless you and thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, so we have जो हमारे साथ है एंड ये भी इन्होंने भी ऑफर किया है कि हमारे साथ करेंगे। इनका जो एनजीओ है इसमें मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ और बहुत सारा अच्छा काम हम वैसे ही करते हैं और अब हम और अच्छा काम करेंगे इंटरनेशनली बिकॉज शी इज विद अस। सो वी विल डू लॉट एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स, जितना कर सके उसमें कम है। आप लोग सब उसका उसमें साथ जरूर दीजिएगा।